Before jumping into our trading environment, we are going to ready the modules that we'll be using during this course. So the list of those are included at the bottom of this slide, and I'll show you how to install those. But first, we want to go ahead and bring up our Anaconda prompt. So in your search bar, if you have a Windows PC, or if you just go to your Anaconda folder of what we recently installed, you'll see the Anaconda prompt. We're going to go ahead and bring this up. If you want to see a list of all currently installed modules, you can type pip list into your command prompt, and this is going to be in the environment, of course, where you install the Anaconda. But you can see, a list of each of those modules that you'll currently have installed. Some come defaulted, others, of course, I've added on here, so your list might look a little different. But this will show you all of the current modules and versions that you have running within that environment. To install new, so if you're new to Python and you want to put these into that environment that we'll be using, you're going to go ahead and use a pip install and then your package. So for this, we'll select Alpaca Trade API for the example, and then go ahead and select enter. This is going to download and install that module into your environment. If you've already had this module installed and you want to use our exact version, or you want to go to the newest model, there are two additional commands you can use. So the same command, the pip install with the module, and if you want to install the exact version so you don't have any discrepancies, you can go ahead and use these version numbers without the parentheses that I have included here below for you to show you what I'm using. Or if you want to just upgrade those to the latest version so that you've got the newest thing running, and you want to figure out any of those discrepancies, or send me an email and I can try to help you figure those out as to what might be the difference between the API call or some function call that exists in one of these modules. Feel free to reach out. But if you want to install those again, it's that same pip install, list the module name itself and equal version, or to get to the newest one, pip -- upgrade and then the module name without any version number. So go ahead and do that for each of these modules we have listed below, and that will ready the trading environment for our next section.